Hello everyone, welcome back to TradeNet. This is part 30th of our journey from 10k to 100k. In this episode, I took few European indice trades, got huge profits, so watch it from the start till the end to see how and why and etc. And of course, don't forget to join our Discord community where we share our analysis, trade breakdowns, just talk and help each other out. So see you in chats. So it's 1st of May, it's a new month, and yeah, we just keep pushing. Basically, today I didn't take anything. It's already evening. I was out in town meeting some friends and etc. So I wasn't at the PC to film, and as well I didn't take any fucking trades. Like no trades taken. Nothing really sets up for me. Yeah, so I took on this account I didn't take any trades, but I took on one of the platforms. I took this one, Solana. But yeah, on this account I didn't take anything. But again, the approach the same, nothing new. MB, then on 1 hour, MB fractal inside there, so it looked nice and it didn't look the same as Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin is moving the same as Solana, but overall, we just had clear flush. And we had 1 MB to the upside on validation. At the same time, we had 1, 2, and we were EMAs are moving smoothly. So, so yeah, there was some trade also on Bitcoin, but I didn't take it. Probably should have, because the reason why I didn't want to take anything in here yesterday was that we didn't respect anything. But right here we had a flush and we started. But again, it doesn't matter. I didn't take it at the time. I didn't like that. We are still somewhere here. So yeah, but at the moment everything is the same. I need a flush and new entries to present opportunities, and that's it. So Bitcoin is valid. Ethereum, nothing really. Maybe if it makes the second MB on the context, then I will probably start looking at it, because that's good enough strength. And if market continues to rally, especially crypto market, I don't really understand now reason why this market is pushing. That's really crazy for me. Like I don't understand why, because right now we are at the same prices where Trump announced the tariffs. Right here he announced tariffs, and we are right back at those levels. I think we will see something like this, but again, it's just a speculation. Just because I think that doesn't mean it will happen. Technicals can change in one fucking candle if we do this. And let's say we have Powell cuts interest rates, Trump gets deal with China, then we will fucking skyrocket and we will have new bullish trend for next years. But if that's not getting sorted out, then we see this. Yeah, but I think I have talked about this many times already, so no need to talk about again. Just right now, nothing for me sets up on US market. Then let's take a look at Dax. I was looking at it, possibly, like, yeah, it is pretty fucking extended, and this flush was a pretty small one. But at the same time, it's good enough for me. Flush is a flush. And we have MB1, MB2 inside there. We have fractal, MB inside the second one. But market will close soon, so I'll not take this entry. Yeah, hopefully in the night it does something like this, and then tomorrow sets up and fucking goes. We'll see. Yeah. Then Spain, nothing really at the moment. Oh, it's closed, yeah, because in Europe we have Labor Day. Yeah, then gold, still nothing. Yeah, basically that's about it. US oil starts to make a flush, made the flush on entry time frame, so that's fucking good. I need this and keep dropping. And yeah, so that's it for now. I'll see you tomorrow. What's up, everyone? It's 2nd May. It's right now 3:30 p.m. I wasn't at the PC in the morning. I was out playing paddle with friends, so I didn't have time to film. But I took 2 trades, Eurostox and Dax. Maybe a little bit sketchy for Eurostox because it's not the best on context time frame. yeah, it starts to do whatever it needs to do. Basically, first MB, second MB, and it's making this second momentum. So and we are above the EMA, so that's why I decided to let's risk money on it. I had two entries because I couldn't risk in one position, so I just took two, but they are the same risk, just combined. Yeah, so that's basically it. What is the reasoning why? Basically, we're building on Eurostox. We're building 1, 2, 3. We are in third MB, and let's actually write that down. And we have 2 MBs to the upside as well. So MBs on entry time frame MB1, MB2. That's about it. EMA is beautiful, etc. So yeah, the same thing goes for this one. Actually made the fourth MB right here on validation, so we have a small flush under the EMAs. Beautiful. 1, 2, taking an entry, partial full pay profit. So yeah, that's about it. Then Spain, it didn't had any price action yesterday because it was closed yesterday. So basically, yeah, nothing to do. Yeah, but it isn't doing anything as well. So I need a 6-hour MB. Bitcoin, I want to see a flush. We have something below the EMAs, but I don't see any like real flush. I would say we are doing this. So I want to see this, and then start to put in new structure, new trend, etc., etc. Yeah. Solana potential. So yeah, I'll be back once something new happens. So all of the trades are on break even, so I decided to take Italy 40 as well. Yeah, it has made beautiful flush, MB1, MB2 in a momentum MB on validation. So yeah, looking for strength. And that's about it. Then I'm looking at US oil as well, but I'll probably not take it. I have made 1 MB, or let's say this as an MB. It doesn't really matter how you count it, but on US oil, swaps are very big in weekends. So I will not take it probably. If it sets up like in the next hour, then yes, but we'll see. I'll be back once something new happens. So I got a partial on Dax right here. Got my partial, and yeah, so next is full take profit. We'll see if it hits, and this starts to make some kind of a progress. We'll see. And then Eurostox is very close to partial, and yeah. Yep, so 3k in the bag. Close this right here. Yeah, 1.9. It's okay. I'm happy with that. And then full take profit is 1 to 4. Here was the first partial. And yeah, so that's about it. Took 2 partials. And yeah. What can I say? Beautiful. Beautiful Friday. Bitcoin, yeah, pushing. Probably will push. But I don't really see anything at the moment. This could be the first MB if we call this as a flush. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see. So I'll be back once something new happens. God damn, I'm back. But fuck, I just understood that I fucked up. Basically, I had some kind of a take profit on MetaTrader, and it closed just now. It closed the position on Eurostox. God damn. Yeah, that's fucked up, but it is what it is. Still, we made 5.7k on this trade. Yeah, but Okay, so yeah, that's about it. Then Dax is still running, still pushing. Hopefully it goes to 1 to 4. Let's see what is the. Do I have any take profits? Oh yeah, I have take profits also for Dax. I'll move it. I'll move it a little bit higher. But yeah, goddamn, unfortunately closed that position. I had some kind of a take profit level already placed. I remember I placed it, but it was like, I don't know how fucking 5, 7, 8 hours ago. Yeah, so, okay. So, yeah, Italy as well is at 1 to at break even, risk free. So waiting for this 1 to 2, and then potentially, yeah, the Bitcoin as well, but it will not give me entry again. I just see already, like this would be my entry, but I need this candle to still be below this wick for 55 more minutes. It's not happening. It will push now. The same thing was here. Yeah, it will push now, 100%. Then US oil, potential entry right here like this, but I will not take it because it's already 7 p.m. and it's Friday and the swaps are fucking crazy for US oil, so nothing to do here. Yeah, then Solana. Actually, Solana right now looks very nice, but again, I need this candle. Oh no, actually no, I can take an entry like this. Yeah, I will place an order right now on Solana because it looks really nice. It's building that momentum and be on 6 hour, I think. Yeah, this one. Flush down, made a new MB, EMA is rising, everything looks nice. Of course, it doesn't mean that the setup will fucking hit full take profit, but it just looks nice and we'll 100% take it. I will place an order right now on Solana. So yeah, so placed an order on Solana. We'll see if it hits. Yeah. So that's it for now, and I'll be back once something new happens. Looking at other markets, nothing really sets up. Spain is pushing like expected, but nothing really to take. I could have taken like this, but nah, it's just too big. Yeah, nothing really. And 6 hour, I think, just made an MB. Yeah, so it looks nice for next week. But again, I can take Spain on this account. Yeah, fucking Bitcoin looks so nice. Yeah. So that's it for now. See you guys later. What's up? It's Saturday, and yeah, it's basically the next day, 3rd of May. And yeah, yesterday nothing really happened. I was looking at this potential second MB on Bitcoin, but it didn't happen obviously, so no entry there. And now we are just pushing and pushing down. So I'm expecting tomorrow, because usually Sunday, in Sundays in crypto market, we have some kind of volatility and volume comes in, and we'll see if it makes, let's say, this and this tomorrow, or maybe later on today. I will obviously take it. And yeah, and we have 2 positions that I held overnight, which is Germany 40 and Italy 40. Yeah, and yeah, Dax I took already partial, and Italy 40 is still without any partials. It's right here. Yeah, and then like you saw, basically I had a take profit level incorrect on my MetaTrader, and it stopped me out right here, somewhere here in the market. So I lost out potentially. If it hits full take profit, I lost out like 3k or something like that. But it is what it is. Mistakes happen, so that's the reality of trading. I don't know why did I place that take profit level, and I've totally forgot about it. So yeah, that's about it. One thing I wanted to talk about is basically consistency, and how I have been able to literally move from 10k to right now. As you can see right now, our equity is 72k, and that's the importance of how basically in trading when we start out, the problem is that we want to make quick money because we see in internet everyone making money, and in some sense in trading it is quick money. Also, if you're watching me, I'm fucking pressing 2 keys on my keyboard and making 10k, and that's, at this point it looks like it's fucking easy, but you don't know the struggles that I have been going through since fucking 2019 when I started it, and now it's 2025. Of course, I see year after year now growth and consistency in it, but you don't know the struggles. And I didn't make money in the first years, or I had some luck, I made money, but at the same time it wasn't consistent in a long period of time. So first thing for you is to understand, first of all, I would say that it doesn't matter what kind of a strategy you trade. Like, everything is the same at the end of the day. It doesn't matter, are you trading MBs? Or are you trading structure breaks, which is the same fucking thing as MB? Or you're trading structure break with some kind of fair value gap, taps in fair value gap, and then you're taking trade on from engulfing candle. I don't know. Or you're trading Ichimoku cloud, or you're trading MACD, or support resistance retest, or whatever the fuck you're trading. It doesn't matter. Everything at the end of the day is the same. There's no difference between MBs and structure. And yeah. The most important thing is to understand market conditions and when to take trades. Because why would I want to take trades right here? I didn't take anything in here, but I took entry right here. And you'll ask why? Because I understand market conditions and I know what I want to see from the market to get involved in trades. I know from case study, by case study I mean I just screenshot my winning trades, put them in Miro, and study them and look at them, because I learn very good from seeing the picture, and I just, from collecting, let's say 200 live trades, I already know and see, and I have seen this picture before. I know that I want to see a flush before. I know that my entries, the best entries is flush after flush. We have a flush on entry time frame, and then we make double MBs above the EMAs on a bullish trend. That's one of the best entries for me. And why didn't I take anything in here? Because we have MBs. That's the point, that people can't understand the market conditions and they want to take trades anywhere and everywhere. Like, why didn't I take this MB? Because it's a fucking MB. This MB. Or this MB. Because at this point we are extended, and I'm looking for I'm thinking that basically this is a delivery phase from these MBs, and that's it. This is too extended. I'm waiting for flush. Here happens fucking chop. EMAs are together and nothing is happening. We have a flush. We build first MB, second MB. EMA is beautiful, and that's where I take my trades. But it doesn't matter how I am trading. Like, again, our Discord is not for mentorship or anything else. We are, of course, if you want to know how I'm trading, first of all, in YouTube there's 30 parts of live basically trading, and I have built this account from 10,000 to 72,000 right now in equity. Our balance is 65. So you have seen, if you really want to know how I'm trading, first of all, watch those episodes and come to the Discord. It's completely for free, no hidden fees, no mentorships, anything. I will help you. We can take a Discord call together. I have already taken Discord calls with our members. I don't have any problems with that. But we need to develop the strategy by ourselves. The same thing, I learned Mentafix, and he's trading differently from me. Even though these concepts are from him, I took them, I studied them, understand what works for me. For example, Mentafix is trailing his trades, and he's catching, let's say, fucking 1 to 50 RR, or let's say 1 to 20 RR. That's his average winning trade. But for me, I understood that my personality, and I can't hold those trades that long and trail and trail and trail. I like to take profits quickly. Like, I take a partial at 1 to 2 and full take profit at 1 to 4, and I get from winning trade 3R. And that's it for me. That's a winning trade for me. The same thing goes, let's say, gold trade. For example, this one. From all this move, I catched only this trade, and Mentafix would have been trailing it till here, probably, and stopped out somewhere here, I don't know where. But I develop my strategy to my personality and understanding which works for me. I can give you a concept, but you need to develop your strategy, your understanding, experience. The backtesting is the most important thing. The same thing goes for if you want to be a fucking surgeon. You go to the university and study for what, 10 years? And then you get your diploma and you can be a fucking surgeon. Why do you think that in trading it's different? That you can learn everything in 1 month and be fucking successful? In some cases, yeah, I can show you my strategy. You can learn it in few days. That's what I need on context time frame, on 2-day time frame. Inside here, I need the same thing on 6 hour, MB2, MB1, MB2, and inside here I need the same thing on entry time frame. And that's where I take my trades. For example, let's go quickly to 2-day chart. So we have MB1, MB2, MB3. Right here I took my trades. So we are bullish on 2-day. We go to 6-hour chart. I didn't take anything here. Why? Because we were bearish, but our direction is bullish. So I waited. First MB created. Now in here, we were too extended on entry time frame. So from these points, that's a green signal for me that I can look on entry time frames. We go to entry time frames. This is too extended. I waited for flush. We got a flush. 1, 2. Inside there. 1, 2. Took my entry. That's it. I can show you that fucking 6-year-old child can learn this, but the experience and understanding which market conditions to execute this comes from, like I said, experience and backtesting. So focus on these things. It's again, if you're learning fucking fair value gaps and ICT silver or gold bullet or what the fuck his strategy is, good for you. But focus, most importantly, on market conditions, when to execute it. Because if I would be executing this strategy on every single day and take any kind of MB, I would lose my money. The most important thing is to understand market conditions. And when to take trades, when not to take a fucking trades. For example, the same gold. This was the last trade I took on gold. I haven't touched the market since I took full take profit. It is 17 days. I haven't touched it. 17 days. And I will be probably skipping it more, like longer period of time, because we are right now flushing down. But on 2-day time frame, we are just pulling back. So we are bullish. All I need is for market to make 6-hour MBs to the upside, pause, so EMAs will start to switch. And inside here, what do I need? The same fucking thing on 1-hour time frame. And that's about it. There's nothing crazy, no magic. It's simple approach and following trend. When the market conditions isn't there, or market isn't trending, I'm not taking anything. I'm not looking at the market. I just set my alert and wait for MB. Or structure break. Or break of a support or resistance. You can call it what the fuck you want. It doesn't fucking matter. What matters is market. What matters is market conditions. And understanding where demand comes in to push price higher. So, and again, from these 30 episodes, you have seen me trade. Don't skip, don't put it on fucking 2x and watch the episode, or skip to the winning trades, or watch few minutes from 30-minute video. Watch it from this, because I am yapping about market analysis every day. What do I want to see? Why I want to see? Blah, blah, blah. In every fucking video, I yap about market analysis. And what do I want to see in any kind of situation on all these markets that I am watching. This is my watch list. And I have 30 episodes already. This is the 30th. So again, master market conditions. Understand where you are taking trades. One insanely good example about market conditions, one of them, of course, this, but some time ago in December, I was trading USD CAD. I think it was USD CAD, was it? Yeah, exactly. I was trading it right from these points. No, actually, from these points, I was looking for trades. And in here, I stopped trading USD CAD. And look at the fucking market since then. it hasn't done anything. And the reason why I stopped trading, because it was too extended on context time frame. It had made 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. At that time, I was looking at daily as a context, so there was 5 MBs. And market started to chop, and I haven't touched this fucking market for 132 days. So again, start focusing on things that matter. Stop searching some kind of magic strategy. It doesn't matter what you're trading. Like, everything is the same. The only thing is you need to understand in which conditions you're profitable. If you're profitable in conditions like these, then that's where you need to focus on consolidations, because there is strategies that will be profitable in these kind of conditions. If you're profitable in these kind of conditions, like myself, then focus on try to understand how you can position yourself in these kind of market conditions. That's it for now, and see you guys next week, or maybe tomorrow if Bitcoin starts to set up and present new opportunities. But at the moment there's nothing to do, so I'll upload this episode, and again, see you guys tomorrow or next week. Bye.